So this is how I created a snapshot of a VM that I set up the way I wanted it. First thing is I created the VM and it creates two disks. I only need to create a snapshot off the OS disk. So if you go here, it allows you to create a snapshot right here. This. So next I go over to the snapshots. You might have to pull that in through all services, added as favorites. You need the disks and snapshots. So these things right here, make sure those are added as favorites. They aren't by default. Okay, here's the snapshot I have. And so once you have the snapshot, you go to disks and you say, you create a new managed disk. And here's where the snapshot will be referred to. So let me see if I can. So that was this one. So here it is. It's if you scroll down further, I think it'll. Let's see. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, see, so here's the new managed disk that I created using this snapshot right here. So that's the original VM. And then after you create the managed disk, this should be enabled. Okay, I'll be back. The old lady is calling. So the disk state is attached. And so this is grayed out, but it won't be if it's brand new. So that's how you do that. But there's a problem with the new VM. There needs to be a data disk, just like the first VM, and there's not one. So if we go here and connect, okay, so you'll see these in red. That means the SQL Server is not running. And Microsoft, I talked to them and they showed me how to go here to the logs and see, kind of scroll down to the bottom. And you'll see it trying to create a file, the tempdb, on the F drive, which is the data disk. So what he had me do was, what did he have me do? Was go to back to the portal in the VM for disks and add a disk. And hit create disk. Use the existing. I changed this to standard, and then this smaller one since I'm just testing. Source type none. Okay, create. Oh, this is taking a second. Okay. So that's ready. And another important thing here to remember is, remember to save before you leave the screen. Okay, so that's gonna, while it's running, it's automatically gonna attach a disk to it, which is pretty nice. You don't have to shut it down or anything. I like it. So it's ready. So you go here and go to start, type disk man, create and format hard disk partitions. It should automatically pop up one that it found it. It found the one that we just attached. So there you go, initialize disk, hit OK, and then go down here to find it. Right click, new simple volume. Next, next. Give it the F, has to be F. Next. Okay, he had me change the allocation unit size to 64K. Next. Finished. Format disk. Oh. Okay. Anyway, I don't know why it does that. Oh, maybe I changed it earlier. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay, so it's ready. Now, one other thing you have to do is go into that drive and create two folders. So one's going to be called data, and the other one has to be called log. Let me look here first, and okay, yeah. So if you go to the configuration tool, right click, start, hit refresh, it's running, it stays running. Go back to the server, these will start running. Yep, we're good. So now go here. Voila, SQL Server in a snapshot. Alright, thanks for watching, Rodney. Yeah.